Hey guys, this week, we're welding them together. Hey guys, welcome back. This week on AMS, we're attaching that Travelall to this Tahoe. It's been a long time coming, but we're finally to the point where we're going to start welding them together. Let's get into it. Well, that took a lot longer than I really thought it would. I am amazed by how much misalignment you can get with everything seemingly not moving. But I think I'm finally there. I think it's time to just sand down a little bit of metal and get it to bare. Start welding.
Well, guys, that's where the body lives now. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with how that fitment ended up looking overall. I've only done the welding you've already seen, so the back is still just sitting on its support posts. But still, I am pretty happy with that. Got a bunch of lights hanging off of it just from, where I'd hung them. Crap still on the top. So I'm going to take a quick minute, pull a bunch of that crap off, and even though it is frankly a terrible idea, I can't help it. I'm taking this thing for a quick test drive. Alrighty, folks. First quick drive of the Tallhoe.
That may not have been the smartest decision I've ever made, but it was still one of the best ones. That was super awesome to take that thing for a quick little test drive. I drove it around the cul-de-sac here like you saw. I also drove it up and down the road, just one real quick. But it felt awesome. That was such a sense of accomplishment to have reached a point where I could do that. May not have been the greatest idea though, because for all I know, the back end of the body is shifting around back there. I don't know, I'm going to have to double check it before I weld anything else. But, as you can see, the shop is a complete mess. I haven't been able to get the Tallhoe out for quite some time. So, next up is just cleaning up all of this crap. Hey guys, short work week, huge milestone. I got the Travelall welded together enough I was able to drive around a little bit. That was hugely motivating, super fun for me. Right now that's parked out in the driveway. I had to have the lift so I could do some work on my wife's car. That took a lot of the weekend. And then I also put some load lift airbags in the back of my father-in-law's truck. So unfortunately, had some other stuff that took me away from fun time, but had to take care of the family first. Next week, we're going to finish getting the pillars all put together, build some kickouts so that all A, B, and C pillars are holding that Travelall down to the floor pan. After that, we've got some more rust repair, and then we're just patching the two together everywhere there's a gap. Thanks for coming along for the ride. See you guys next week.